Hey, welcome to the Toadstead. All right, we're out here in the yard, and there's a whole bunch of lines. Actually, just two. Hooked up to the back of the Yukon, and some of y'all been asking for a boat update. All right, there's a boat update. Now, this is the second of the two days, obviously. This one, the guy I got it from said it had some hull damage. Now, the one we're working on, you can see it in the distance over there, we're on hiatus with that right now because we got a whole lot of other things going on. But just wanted to show you this for a couple of reasons. One, the boat, and the other is just wanted to show you if you ever need to flip something over, you have to pardon me. What I did is I've got some holes cut in the hull over there, and there's a hole cut in the side that comes through the companionway right there. Looped a couple lines through it, stuck it on the ball of the Yukon. Now you can see there's a line coming up from under the hull, and it's wrapped around in this part where we just cut some fittings off just with a Sawzall, and it left this little tongue we could wrap the line around, and it goes under the boat, comes around this side. Now if the camera's going to pick it up, there it is, and it actually goes around the front tire, around the back tire, and then it's hooked on the ball hitch of the F-150. And why am I doing all this? Well, we wanted the centerboard, and there is the centerboard. And in order to get the centerboard out, we had to flip the boat. And when we flipped the boat, we got the, oh yeah, no kidding, look at this. Get up underneath here. Yeah, I'd say that qualifies as some hull damage. It looks like somebody taped it up, maybe to salvage the boat and get it to where it had to go. That black stuff is actually what looks like heavy duty, like Gorilla tape. And there's a, I guess you'd call that a compression fracture right here. It's huge. It's all from way up here all the way down. Not salvageable, at least not in my mind. Not for one of these of this vintage. I certainly wouldn't do it. So, had to flip it. I'm by myself today, so the only way to do it was to make up this conglomeration of lines and all that. And just want to let you know, we haven't forgotten about the boat. There's some other projects going on that I'll share with you soon. And for those of you who watch the channel, you might guess because the little brother of that truck isn't sitting there like it usually is. So yeah, that's upcoming. But this is the boat update. One other thing is we had to have a piece made for that boat. We just got it back. So we'll be doing some more on that pretty soon. Right now, what that boat over there needs is just a lot of paint stripping, a lot of cleaning. And this time of year on the Toadstead, we just don't have the time for that kind of thing right now. So we'll get back on it. But there is the beginning of the end of our little friend here. And if you're wondering what may happen to it, I'm not sure, but I'm sure we'll find something. Some way to make it go away. My historical reenactment friends are going, Viking funeral, Viking funeral. Yeah, well, maybe, maybe not. We'll have to wait and see how that goes. All right, thanks for coming along. Fair winds. We'll see you next time around.